Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to see who likes you on Tinder without paying. So basically what you're going to do here if you want to see those who like you is of course you need to upgrade your plan. If you tap this see who likes you, basically Tinder will let you upgrade your plan or continue with the Tinder Gold. However, there is another method or way to see them without upgrading your plan. So I really hope that this method also work for you. What you're going to do is you have to go to your home. As you can see, there is these two people who like me. Go back to your home, and what you're going to do here is you just have to simply try to swipe the first account card, but don't swipe it all the way. So what you're going to do here is you have to swipe slightly, and the second profile under the top one is often the person who like you. Though it's not guaranteed, but it is said that mostly the second account is the one who liked you. So I really hope that this video somehow help you. However, there are other methods too on how to see who like you without upgrading your plan. It's not that really recommended and it's kind of risky for your application or for your Tinder account. So just try this one. Again, you just have to simply swipe slightly, and again, the second profile or the second account is often the person who liked you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.